welcome back to Science Gully. And yes, I'm back with the Python Part 2 video. In today's session, we are going to be covering a few things that would help us to do basic programs in Python. So we are going to learn arithmetic operators, a few basic functions in Python, how to make comments in Python, and the usage of if-else statement. Okay, let's get started with arithmetic operators. Just as we do normal calculations, even in Python, we can do basic operations on variables and values using the arithmetic operators. We already know four basic operators, that is addition using the plus symbol, subtraction using the minus symbol, multiplication using asterisk, and division using backslash. We also have floor division using double backslash. So this gives the integer part of the quotient after division. For example, 11 double backslash 2 gives the answer 5, and 11 single backslash 2 gives the answer 5.5. The next operator is to find the remainder using percentage symbol. It's also known as a mod function. It's modulus. So 6 mod 2 will give you the answer as 0. Then next is to give power to any number, that is the exponent. This is used using the double asterisk. For example, 6 double asterisk 2 will give you 36. Let's start with the basic Python functions. The first one is print function. It is used to print text or numbers on the screen. The syntax is print and curved brackets. So if you want to print a number, then you can directly insert the number in the curved brackets. To print text, you will have to first insert the text inside double or single quotes and then inside the bracket and print before. Next function is input function. It is an inbuilt function in Python which is used to take the input from the user. The syntax is input in curved bracket prompt. Next we have the integer and the float function. These print the integer and the float value of the number in the parenthesis. The syntax is float parenthesis and integer parenthesis. For example, float in parenthesis 5 will give you the value 5.0 and int in parenthesis 6.78 will give you the answer 6. The next and the last function that we are going to learn is type. It does the type of data of the number or text entered in the parenthesis. For example, type in parenthesis a number, for example 4, will give the answer as class int. Now let us see how to make comments in Python. Comments are used in programs for explaining the code. We can give single line or multi-line comments in Python. Single line comments are created by adding hash symbol before the statement. For example, hash this is a comment. Multi-line comments can be created by adding hash symbol before every line of the comment. Or we can also use triple quotes before and after the multi-line comment. I hope you learned the basics of Python today. Do try out simple programs in Python ideally. Thank you so much for staying tuned till the end. See you in the next video. Until we meet.